and today we're going to be taking a look at this changing pad. I'm super excited for this. This is an awesome idea for a baby shower present. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box. Alright guys, inside the box I do have just some quick instructions for opening that I'm going to be showing you guys right here. We are going to unroll this. We do not want to use a knife. This is wrapped pretty tightly, so we just want to make sure that we're not going to be cutting the product itself. We're going to roll it out, and then we're going to wait just a little while for the pad to fully unfold since it's vacuum sealed into this small packaging. Alrighty guys, so here we have the cover for the changing pad. One thing that I love is here on the bottom we have grippies, and then we also have these safety clamps as well. So this is where you can attach it, maybe if you're wanting to do one of the styles where it's like a changing table on top of a dresser. Perfect idea for this because you can wrap it around. You do want to make sure that you use these so it is stable, or this also works for just a good option on the floor as well. My favorite part about this is the texture of the front of the changing pad right here. As you can see, this will be super easy to wash and clean up in case you have any accidents on the changing mat itself. I love that it is not cotton, and I love that this is an easy cleanup process on here. Now, let's go ahead and open up the actual pad itself. Like I said, this is vacuum sealed, so you just want to make sure that you're not using a knife because this is all wrapped in here very tightly. And this is what the changing pad looks like. One thing that I love about this is memory foam, so it is super soft and comfortable. Another thing that I love is we do have this incline right here on both sides for your little baby to lay kind of in the crevice, okay? Let's go ahead and put this changing cover on. There is a zipper here along the bottom. And so we're gonna slip this over the top. This will be a tight fit, so you're going to put it into each of the corners. And now we're gonna zip it back up. And like I said, here is our buckle that we can use to strap around whatever top we are gonna be using. Alright guys, and here we have it. As you can see, even just in the short amount of time that we have put this protective cover on it, it has already expanded even more. Here with the cover on, you can see the divots just a little bit more closely. I absolutely love this. Let me show you some water on this so you guys can see that it's non-absorbent. There you can see all that water, and it is just puddling on top. How awesome is that? So this water is not sinking through this for me, so then all we have to do is grab some paper towel and let's wipe up the mess. And then we are good to go for our next diaper change. How awesome is that? I absolutely love this product, and I'm so glad that they sent this to me. Sometimes my son doesn't like diaper changes, so this belt on top is perfect for us. I hope that you guys enjoyed this as well.